watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on rulers and grid lines in Paint. Start by opening Paint and navigate to the View tab at the top of the window. In the View toolbar, you'll find options for rulers and grid lines. To display rulers along the edges of your canvas, check the box labeled Rulers. Next, to display a grid overlay on your canvas, check the box labeled Grid Lines. The rulers can help you measure and align objects more accurately, while grid lines provide a visual guide for positioning shapes, drawings, and other elements. If you no longer need these guides, simply return to the View tab and uncheck the corresponding boxes to hide them. And that's it. Thanks for watching.